Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send Solana to BullX from Phantom Wallet. In order to do this, you first need to click on the link that is given in the description so that you could get early access to BullX. Plus, additionally, you will get a 10% trading fees rebate on BullX if you use that link. Once done, you will be landed on this type of page where you need to press next in the bottom, and now it will provide you the QR code as well as your deposit address. So you just have to simply copy this address from here, and you need to make sure that you have downloaded and installed your Phantom wallet in your desktop. Now over here you need to press the send button and select Solana. Here in the recipient's address option, you need to simply paste the address that you have just copied from here. Over here you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to transfer, so I'm gonna keep it max. Then you need to press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here it will show you that you are sending to this this address, and this is basically your network, and this is the network fees. So you need to simply click on the send button and wait for some time until it is sending the transaction in your BullX account. As you can see that it is saying that sent successfully, so you need to simply close over here, and in your BullX account you need to press send. Once done, you will be landed on this page where, as you can see, if I click on Solana, I have successfully received Solana in my BullX account. So this way you can easily send Solana to BullX with the help of your Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.